Welcome! If you've been searching for the new focused messages section on LinkedIn using your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the latest LinkedIn update so you can easily find and use this powerful feature to keep your inbox organized and efficient. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and head over to linkedin.com. Log into your account as you normally would. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, take a look at the top menu bar. You'll see several icons, but the one you're looking for is the messaging icon. It looks like a little speech bubble. Go ahead and click on it. Now, you'll be taken straight into your LinkedIn messaging area. Here's where the new update comes into play. At the top of your messages list, you'll notice two tabs: Focused and Other. LinkedIn's Focused Inbox is designed to help you quickly find the most relevant and important conversations, separating them from less urgent messages. If you don't see these tabs right away, don't worry. You might need to enable the Focused Inbox feature. To do this, click on Messaging Settings, then find the Focused Inbox settings. Toggle it on, refresh your page, and those tabs should appear. Once you see the Focused and Other tabs, simply click on the Focused tab. This is where LinkedIn gathers your most relevant messages, so you can prioritize what matters most without getting distracted by less important conversations. If you ever want to move a conversation between tabs, just click on the More option inside a message and select either Move to Focused or Move to Other. That's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you'll always know where to find your most important LinkedIn messages. Thanks to the new Focused Inbox update, staying on top of your professional conversations has never been easier. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more LinkedIn tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.